from Maddox, China, and I'm now in Beijing at the New China Exhibition Center. The CIMT2023 China International Machine Tool Exhibition has just started here. Held every 2 years, it is one of the 4 largest machine tool exhibitions in the world. The Maddox booth in Hall E2 is right behind me. This year at the Beijing exhibition, Maddox has the largest booth among foreign firms, covering an area of 1,052 square meters. As you can see, decorated in the enthusiastic Maddox orange, the spectacular Maddox booth is packed with visitors. The focus of Maddox demonstration this time around is on multitasking, flexible, and cellular manufacturing. This includes the latest high-precision Neo series and the hybrid multitasking models made by Maddox Japan, as well as the flexible manufacturing system, FMS in short, for horizontal machining center, the gantry automation unit, and the latest product made by Maddox China. Of course, as an explorer and practitioner of a smart factory, we will proudly demonstrate Maddox iSmart Factory and the latest Metro DX software, which orders the manufacturing process on site. Okay, let's move to the stage. The first thing we notice is this large LED stage behind me. Every day from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. during the exhibition, one of our Maddox presenters will show up on the hour to introduce our latest ideas and technologies. You are definitely welcome to discover more with Maddox. Now, come on, follow me into the booth. Please take a look at my right-hand side. What displayed here is Maddox Automation Solutions, the Maddox FMS production line, consisting of the horizontal machining center HCN6000L and the double-layered FMS with 12 pallets. This demonstrates how efficiently that valve blocks, which are used in the hydraulic industry, can be processed. We could achieve an efficient changeover of products by customizing fixtures for each of our customers. Based on the concept of flexible, efficient, and intelligent, everything possible, Maddox FMS line allows for long hours of unmanned or less humanized production. Currently, over 3,000 Maddox FMS production line has running over our customers' factories all over the world. What's displayed here is Maddox automation system consisting of the 1 gantry unit and 2 turning centers, QTC200MYL and QT200L. This gantry unit has the one feature is that it has 2 controlling systems that's perfectly compatible with each other. The one is for controlling the machine tool, and the other is for controlling the automation line. This match can switch smoothly between the 2 systems, and it can be done quickly and simply to meet customers' different requirements on workpiece and storage quantity. This type of automatic lines can be outfitted with different storage systems such as the servo palletizers, rotary bins, and single pallet bins. In spite of providing high-end world-class quality machine tools, Maddox China also offers turnkey solutions to markets worldwide. They are exported to markets like Japan, Europe, Southeast Asia, earning the trust of over 5,000 customers from sectors such as automotive, aviation, mold, electronics, and medical. Furthermore, we are now exploring new markets. Now let's move to the automation wall. With years of experience in the turnkey projects, we have created a variety of automated and adaptable solutions for our customers' needs. And how does exactly Maddox automation technology look like? The answer is right here. Look, this wall is showing us in detail about Maddox automation solutions, including standard FMS lines as well as tailored turnkey solutions, which are accumulated from different backgrounds to meet the specific needs of our customers along with their development and success. Such automation and process integration have greatly improved the efficiency of not only machine tools operations, but also energy consumption in a modern world of green manufacturing. When it comes to the process integration, this machine behind me is a Mulch. This is a multitasking machine Integrix i630V, which is also the largest machine in our booth. And these multitasking machines can perform 5-axis machining as well as turning and milling functions. This model is typical of Mazak's done-in-one machining concept, that is, completing all processes in one setup within a single machine, reducing preparation time, equipment investment, machine footprint, and labor costs. In this way, it saves energy consumption by shortening the cycle time while ensuring high machining accuracy. The part being machined is an aero engine case. If you are interested, come and watch it on site. Please look at the machine here. This is FJV250, the gantry machining centers that's used in the industry of the Mulch, electronics, and semiconductors. This part being machined here is a plastic mold. The model suits perfectly for high accuracy machining because it is embodied with an machine measurement function that can supervise and track down machining errors in real time. With the rise of decarbonization goal, renewable energy products are playing an increasingly important role in our daily life. China is now the world leader of electric vehicles exporting and selling. And this VCE700DL can fully meet the machining needs of such vehicle parts. Now, what is being machined is a sample of EV battery shell. If you are in this business and that's your cup of tea. With years' experience in the EV industry, Mazak has not only developed a new product, but also has the experience to develop many successful customers' application cases. And this year, we released the new model FSW460V, which is especially designed for EV parts mass production, enabling high-speed, high-quality friction star welding. This new model supports highly efficient machining of EV parts, including motor housings, inverter cooling devices, etc. This area mainly shows some examples of how Mazak machines have been applied to the EV industry. Talking about the high accuracy machining, we must mention about Mazak's 5-axis series. The machine behind me is Axis C600. This is a new generation of 5-axis machining center of Mazak. And see the NC system, quite remarkable. This is our latest smooth AI system that combines artificial intelligence and digital twin to achieve high accuracy machining and shorten the preparation time. Meanwhile, the Axis C600 is extremely compatible with FMS lines. Together, they can largely increase production efficiency. What's demonstrated here is an integral closed-loop impeller for an aircraft engine. Let's move on to the next mission. The Integrix i500S machine here is our typical machine of the done-in-one. That it means that completes all the machining process within the one machine, from blank to the finished product. As the number of machine tools needed is reduced, the cost and the energy consumption therefore are reduced too. What's demonstrated here is a mechanic part for general purpose. It is machined using Mazak edge gear machining technologies like smooth gear popping and smooth gear milling. By Mazak's interactive programming, which is dialogue style, our machines can generate sophisticated programs for gear machining. To machine a gear, an operator, even without sufficient experience, could accomplish by simply entering the drawing parameters. As the multitasking representative and proud of Mazak, the Integrix series become a bestseller, gaining high reputation from our customers. This is the start of low carbon in the Beijing exhibition, Barrier Axis I-800 Neo. Do you know what the Neo stands for? In addition to the meaning of new, the N stands for the next, and the E stands for the excellent, the O stands for the optimal, and the word stand for that the Mazak's machining center has capable and versatile functions that help customers to realize the standout manufacturing process. Now let's move to the green wall to see what happened here. Please look at this wall. Mazak has put forward the environmental concept of Mazak Go Green, and Mazak will promote activities aimed at reducing carbon emissions throughout the life cycle of its products. Our goal is to reduce 50% of our carbon footprint by 2030 compared to 2010. Now, let's move to another side. Please look at the parts here. Are you familiar with them? These parts are used in the medical equipment. Now let's look at the vertical machining center right-hand side. And this is our machining center VCN430AL. It has also the two other axes in this machining center, the A axis and the B axis. And in order to perform machining at various angles, it allows quick switching among different types of bond plate components, which perfectly addresses the issue of uneven batch sizes needed in bond plate production, while at the same time providing possibility for automated mass production for each type of bond plate. Okay, let's move to the next machine. This is our latest machines produced by the China factory, the QTE 300MYL. And this machine, QTE series, are mass production models customized for the Chinese market. This turning center is equipped with a milling tool holder and wide axis to meet the demand of our Chinese customers. Those who are familiar with Mazak should have known that the QTE series holds three features that are global quality, efficient production, and quick delivery, which can meet the needs of our customers throughout the factory. Okay, let's look at the wall here. This is the wall telling the story about Mazak's iSmart factory and the iConnect. Please look at this part here. This is the Mazak iConnect. Displays an integrated Mazak support system using the IoT Internet of Things technology. By connecting our customers' machines to Mazak service centers throughout our intelligent cloud, Mazak iConnect supports our customers' machine tools in terms of machining maintenance and monitoring throughout their life cycles. Speaking of this, I'd like to introduce Mazak China's Parts Center and Service Team. Mazak has 4 parts centers around the globe, one of which is located in Shanghai, China. The parts center responds to the needs of our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the year around, with on-time delivery rates over 95%. Based on the concept of always providing support and service beside the customer, Mazak has built a professionally trained after-sales service team with rich experience and good manner. Now let's look at this part on the wall. This part tells the story of Mazak's iSmart factory. The Mazak iSmart factory, based on Mazak's rich experience in building smart factory, can now realize continuous self-upgrading. It can not only be adopted by other Mazak factories globally, but also factories of our customers. Okay, let's move on to the next mission. Please look at the machine handling. This machine is our latest Integrix i250HSAG. And now I will introduce the details for you. This model is the best presentation of Mazak's all-in-one concept. With optimized machine structure, the new Integrix i250HSAG enables more automation solutions. The demonstrated part being processed is roller screw, typical in the vacuum pump industry. All the machining functions can be realized within one machine, like free-turn machining, V-axis machining, stimulus, 5-axis machining, and real-time measurement. Okay, let's look at the wall in the offset. This part just introduces the content of our Multitasking DX software, and now I'll introduce some details for you. The fabulous Multitasking DX at this exhibition marks the debut of Multitasking DX in the Chinese market. Mulch created Multitasking DX, a piece of software that modifies the manufacturing process. Multitasking DX made its debut on the Chinese market at this Beijing exhibition. By using 3D models, AI, and digital twin technology, Multitasking DX enables auto quotation, auto program generation, digital instructions, auto measurement assistance all in one. This area equals to the office or the controlling center of customer's factory, from where all machining instructions and programs are sent to the production site. In future, we will further upgrade our digital technology to create a final CNC product that doesn't need any programming or on-site preparation. Well, up to now, I have shown you the entire Mulch booth and all the devices that are on display today. Throughout the tour, I'm sure some watchful audiences have already picked up some high-frequency words such as digital, green, low carbon, environment-friendly, and automation. These high-frequency words have together led to the theme of our Beijing exhibition, Green Empowerment for Smart Future. Green empowerment here refers to not simply energy saving, but Mulch's contribution to building a decarbonized and energy-saving society through its advanced technologies and products. This theme is also in line with Mulch's green business concept, Mulch Go Green. At this Beijing exhibition, we have shown 5 highlights based on the main theme of Mulch Go Green. That is the Go Green in digitalization, automation, products, environment protection measures, and cutting-edge technology. These 5 highlights are what are based on to demonstrate how Mulch reduces the carbon dioxide emissions throughout the life cycle of its products. Alright everybody, we will wrap up our tour today. In the following days to come, we will take you deeper into our products and concepts through the videos on Mulch WeChat account and channels. So hurry up, follow us on the WeChat channel. You can acquire the complete information about Mulch in this exhibition by entering Mulch China's official WeChat account to see more videos. Okay, now we have an Easter egg for you. During the exhibition, we have prepared lovely gifts to send out every day. So hurry up to click likes, add your favorites, and follow us on the WeChat channel. And if you are one of the lucky guys, we will contact you firstly through the WeChat channel by sending private messages. Okay, that's the end of our tour today. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.